Pros and cons of living in Fresno might just surprise you when you see the actual data on your paycheck. This city sits in the heart of the Golden State, offering a central hub that connects you to the whole region. You have heard the rumors about housing here, but the reality is a story about hidden opportunities. Life here moves at a pace that feels grounded, with local farmers markets and a true sense of community. I remember walking through the Tower district and feeling a local charm that really caught me off guard. I honestly did not expect to find such distinct neighborhoods. It really makes you rethink your plans. When you compare expenses, Fresno sits about 20% lower than the average across California. Think about buying a home here where the median price is often lower than coastal cities by huge margins. For the price of a small studio in a coastal area, you could own a decent single-family house right here. That saved income allows you to fund your retirement or travel budget with a lot more breathing room. Crime rates remain a concern, and while numbers have fluctuated, you must stay aware of your surroundings. Access to healthcare and education is stable, with several local colleges driving the growth in talent. I take a moment to consider the growth potential because it feels like this city is quietly evolving. The summer heat can be intense, which is something to prepare for when you choose your housing location. Traffic is manageable compared to massive metropolitan areas, saving you hours of time every single week. My own daily commute here felt relaxed, and that lack of stress adds a surprising value to my quality. Remember the housing rumors from earlier? Now you can see that the trade-off is actually quite sensible. Future growth looks promising as investments into downtown and infrastructure continue to move forward. You do sacrifice proximity to the ocean, so you have to decide what matters most for your daily happiness. First, visit the neighborhoods during different times of the day to see how the local community feels. Second, review the latest crime data for the specific zip code you are considering for your new home. Third, calculate your total commuting costs to see if the lower housing prices outweigh travel expenses. Choosing where to live is a balance of what you can afford versus the lifestyle that you truly desire. It is not about finding the perfect place, but about finding a space that fits your personal narrative. Reflect on what your priorities are, and you will find the answer that is right for your unique path.